In this video, I'm going to show you how to install dvwa on Kali Linux. So it is basically the damning vulnerable web application. So there are various ways of installing dvwa. So I'll explain all in this video. So when you search dvwa, you can see a GitHub repository from DigiNinja. So you can visit dvwa GitHub repository here. So if you visit this repository, you can go to the bottom and you can see the installation steps. As you can see, this is the installation steps. So here you have an option to copy this, download the script. So you can copy this and paste it in your terminal. So after pasting that, so you have to give permission. When you enter ls, you can see this is the file. So you can give the permission to execute by entering chmod +x and the file name .sh. After that, you can enter // and the file name to execute. So you need to become root and run. So we can become root by entering sudo // and the file name .sh. You have to enter your password. As you can see, this is the dvwa installer. So welcome to dvwa setup. So this is the simple setup where you can install dvwa without configuring a lot of things. So there are various methods of installing dvwa in Kali Linux. So I think this is the simple method that you can install. Okay, let it download. You can also install dvwa. There is a website like Vulnerable. So I hope you know about Vulnerable. So in Vulnerable, you have damn vulnerable web application. So you can download this ISO and configure it in your VirtualBox, and you can use dvwa efficiently on that also. And if you don't want to do that, then there is a TryAcme room called dvwa. So you can use this TryAcme's dvwa room. So there are various methods that you can use this dvwa in your Kali Linux. Like you can try TryAcme room, you can use Vulnerable, and there is Metasploitable too in Vulnerable, which also supports dvwa. So as you can see, it's done. So now it is asking for enter SQL user. So I am entering the user as root, and it's asking for entering the password. So I'm entering the password as password. As you can see, SQL commands executed successfully, configuring dvwa permission. Yeah, so in this method, you don't have to configure the MySQL database or PHP. You don't have to do anything. Okay, it's so simple. So this is the simple method that you can configure dvwa on your Kali Linux. As you can see, you can right click here and click open link. As you can see, you are able to open dvwa on your Kali Linux, and the username is admin and the password is password. Yeah, in the first step you can see there is some errors, so don't worry about it. Like you can close this and open, like you can visit this again, like admin, password. Yeah, it's done. So you can now use dvwa with everything like brute force, command injection, and loads of vulnerabilities. The application vulnerabilities are available in the dvwa. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.